Well, Governor Walz laid out a key part of his massive four-part budget proposal today, giving us more details on how he would fund his plan to keep Minnesota healthy and safe. John Croman joins us from the Capitol now with details. John?
Well, Julie, it takes about 14 different budget bills to make one state budget. So in order to keep it to just 4 news conferences, the governor has lumped these things together into different topics that are somewhat related. Today, it was housing, health care, and public safety. It's not every press conference that comes with a ladder rescue demonstration, but this does relate to firefighter training. And it's one of the reasons Governor Walz and his cabinet commissioners came to the Roseville Fire Station to roll out part of his budget that includes $300 million in grants to local public safety agencies.
That to be able to let local elected officials make those decisions. If that means firefighters, it means firefighters. If it means police, it means police. If it means 911 dispatchers or social workers, those are the decisions that are made.
Roseville's Fire Chief David Brosnahan gave the governor a mini tour of some of the life-saving equipment the city was able to buy with federal American Rescue Fund dollars that were funneled through the state. He says the new influx of cash from the state would be welcome to help with the cost of readiness.
Whether it is recruitment or retention of career or volunteer staff, equipment changes or needed upgrades, support for enhanced training, or a focused effort on firefighter cancer and mental health awareness and prevention, these funds truly matter. The governor's also calling for $1.5 billion for housing across the next 4 years, including more rental assistance, help with down payments, and new construction of affordable housing.
With a budget surplus like this, and with a commitment to housing like the governor and lieutenant governor have, we're able to make significant investments across the whole housing continuum.
The most controversial part of today's budget batch came in the healthcare arena, a proposal to let people without health insurance buy their way into Minnesota Care, a system designed for the working poor.
We can't afford not to do this. We can't afford it in costs of long-term health care, and we can't afford it to lose any of these children.
So reaction today from the House Minority Leader, Lisa Demuth. She said in her words, at a time when Minnesota is facing unprecedented levels of crime, the governor's public safety proposal comes up dramatically short. $300 million of public safety aid is a fraction of the state budget and demonstrates where the governor's priorities are. The governor's office says that this $300 million is on top of what they're already spending on public safety. Back to you.
All right. Thanks, John.